Welcome to ERP Foundation Series. Today we will explore ERP transaction data, the information that records every important business activity inside an ERP system. Every day, companies perform sales, purchases, inventory movements, and financial activities. ERP records all these activities as transaction data. Transaction data is the digital record of every business event that happens inside an organization and gets stored in the ERP system. Whenever a business event occurs, ERP converts that activity into a structured transaction record for future tracking and reporting. When a customer places an order, ERP creates a sales order transaction that starts the complete sales process. After products are dispatched to the customer, ERP generates a delivery note transaction to record the shipment. Once goods are delivered, ERP creates a sales invoice transaction that records the billing details for the customer. When customer payment is received, ERP records the transaction through a receipt voucher and updates financial records. Companies use purchase orders to request materials from suppliers, and ERP stores every procurement transaction accurately. When purchased items arrive, ERP creates a goods receipt note transaction to confirm inventory receipt. Payment vouchers and journal vouchers help ERP maintain accurate accounting records and financial transparency. Sales reports, inventory reports, and financial statements are generated directly from transaction data stored in ERP. Accurate transaction data leads to accurate reports, helping management make better business decisions with confidence. Master data defines customers and items, while transaction data records the activities performed using them. Modern industries rely on ERP transaction data to achieve real-time visibility and efficient business operations. In the next episode, we will explore ERP workflow and discover how business processes move automatically through ERP. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more professional ERP learning content.